Hello YouTube. Today we have a very special video. As you can see, I have a Chroma equipped, but I haven't really gotten it yet. He currently has my I own claws destroyers. This is the guy who's previously donated me. He is a huge donor to the channel. I really appreciate the support that he's given me over these past few weeks. Today he's actually going to trade me a Chroma Lightbringer. Oh, he's talking about my claw machine videos. So I'm gonna let him use my Chroma Fang. And here's the deal. If you guys can get him to 100 followers by April 1st on Roblox, he will actually let me keep this. As you can see, I have the regular Darkbringer and I also have the Chroma Darkbringer, meaning that if we can get him to 100 followers by April 1st, he will let me keep this Chroma. And honestly, guys, I really want to keep this Chroma because this is a really dope Chroma and it goes really well with my Chroma Times. Look, there he goes. If you want your man to own that forever, we got to get him to 100 followers. So currently, he has 100 and he has 25. If we can get him, let me make this 20. Oh, snap. If we can get this to 26, it would be super amazing, and he would really appreciate it. So let me go on ahead and give him a follow. Oh, sorry, I'm kind of hungry. I'm eating, but bam. Now he has 27. Oh, 26. Well, still. But yeah, um, just make sure to follow him. I'll link his um so yeah, if you guys want me to win this Chroma Lightbringer, please, bro, please, you guys gotta help me get him to 100 followers on Roblox. This thing is amazing, no joke. See if I can get the 1v1 started. Alrighty, we're gonna start this 1v1. Alright, so I'm going ahead and choose the map. I kind of want to do the research. Oh, well, we were too late. But yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. And yeah, if you guys want to help me win this Chroma, that'd be amazing. But yeah, here is what the Chroma gun actually looks like. Boom, there it is. Super nice Chroma. Yeah.
Progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each
We're about to do the
minute after you
facial
hear this
test.
signal. A single lap should be completed each time you hear this sound. Remember to run in a straight line, and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over.
Alright.
The test will begin on the word start. On your mark, get ready, start. The Fitness Grand Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each minute after you hear this signal. A single lap should be
He got me.
completed each
Oh my
time
god,
you
it's
hear
so
this sound.
loud.
Remember to run in a straight line, and run as long as possible.
Alright, well, you guys get the idea. Make sure to follow his profile. Give him to 100 followers. He needs 74 more. That way I can keep this Chroma gun. But yeah, so make sure you guys do that. Hope to see y'all later. Um, And yeah, I'll see y'all later.